This is my Realme 5 and Realme 5 running Android 10 with Realme UI 1, and today in this video I am going to camera test my Realme 5 after Android 10 update. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S DAYOUT, so let's start the video. Welcome back. Realme 5 base Gcam 7.4 video coming very soon, so subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. Realme 5 come with quad camera setup. Main camera 12 megapixel 1.8 aperture, second 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture 13mm ultra wide, third 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture macro, and fourth 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. Realme 5 main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, but you also record 1080 30fps video with EIS. Now I am recording 4K 30fps video. You also record 240 and 120fps slow-mo video. Okay, this is all about Realme 5 camera test. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in another video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.